Hi, my name is Lauren Tolbert, and I'm a 2023 graduate of Claflin University, specifically the School of Humanities and Social Sciences.
Hi, my name is Nia Richard, and I am a proud alumna of Claflin University. I am a 2020 graduate and product of the Humanities department, where I had the opportunity to obtain a bachelor's in African and African American Studies and a bachelor's in political science.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Delvon Benson. I am an alumnus of Claflin University, class of 2008, and my degree was in African American Studies.
Hi, I'm Otiana Thompson, and I'm going to tell you why you should major in the humanities. The humanities helped change how I saw the world and how I saw myself in the world.
I majored in African and African American Studies, minored in political science and history, and so suffice to say, I love social studies, I love social science, and I love humanities especially.
The Department of Humanities at Claflin University challenged me as a researcher, as a thinker. They helped us to grow as presenters, as trainers, as facilitators. They provided us with opportunities such as internships where we were able to build our skill sets in areas such as curriculum building.
Humanities provides us and everybody else an opportunity to obtain tools necessary that could potentially take them beyond their academic rigor.
I'm a scholar, a leader, and above all, a visionary. Someone who is willing to go above what's required and always do more to succeed and excel.
From day one, my professors took the time to learn who I was as an individual. They noted my strengths, they noted my areas of growth, and they took 4 years to shape and mold me into the person that I am today.
Humanities gave me the rich historical context as well as a confident sense of self to be able to explore the world with the goal of understanding the people of the world and understanding more and more every day.
One of my favorite parts about being an alumna of such a wonderful program and department is the way that I was able to experience what it feels like to be poured into as a young person.
As a humanities major, I was inspired by my professors and my cohort to just always want to take my research and my intelligence to the next level.
Teaching philosophy is heavily rooted in critical theory, and critical theory suggests that knowledge is naturally subjective, and it is up to us as the scholars to think critically and analyze what's going on in that situation to provide a more cohesive context.
I did this inside and outside the classroom, not only double majoring in history and Africana studies, but also graduating with a 3.9 GPA. I was a UNCF Mellon Mays Research Fellow, and I was able to study and travel abroad throughout the diaspora.
And so some of these tools that employers might be looking for in which the humanities teaches are effective communication skills, critical thinking, ethical decision-making, as well as the ability to solve complex problems.
We know that we must be the ones to tell our stories and to teach our history. And the experiences and things that I gained through being a student of the Department of Humanities at Claflin have allowed me to do that in a way that implements and positively affects my community. Things that I've learned with that department and the way that they've poured into me have allowed me to be able to do the same thing in my career as a researcher and as an organizer and trainer.
Outside the classroom, I served as freshman class president, class senator, and SGA president. I put on numerous events in the campus and in the Orangeburg community. And through it all, I had people who inspired me to keep going and to do more. So that after I graduated from Claflin, I was able to obtain a full ride scholarship to receive my master's in history.
Now, the humanities also is very beneficial because it allows for cross-pollination of academic research, such as in consilience. These are very important in understanding the development of our society.
Data collection is a large part of the work that I get to do. And we all know that historically, data collection in communities of color has been something that has contributed and caused harm to our people. The research methods, ideologies, theologies, the tips, the tools, the traits that were poured into me as an undergraduate student allow me to interact with my communities in a way that isn't extractive or intrusive.
And as a high school teacher of mostly Black and brown students, I strive to instill similar values of lifelong learning and love of learning and a deep appreciation for building and maintaining community.
If you ever need video confirmation of what it looks like to pour into your students, not just to get them to graduate, but to get them to be able to thrive successfully in the world, this is it.
So I am forever grateful for the blessing that Humanities has been to my own self-development, my intellectual development, and my overall academic journey.
The things I learned in my undergraduate experience are the very things that got me hired in all of the positions and roles that I'm in. They are the very things that allow me to interact and engage with my community in a way that is wholesome. And they are the things that will continue to shape me as I continue my journey as a researcher and an organizer. And I am forever and eternally grateful for the Department of Humanities for that.
Again, I would like to thank Claflin University for allowing me to speak on this platform. And I would like to thank you. And I do hope that you decide to join the Humanities as I did. And it definitely changed my life for the better.
It is because the work I put in undergrad, it was because of the people in my major, that I can see myself not only doing more, but also inspiring others to do the same. So if you feel like this is your journey, or you want to join this journey that I was on, definitely major in humanities. It is something that you won't regret, and it will change how you see yourself and what you can accomplish. Thank you.